Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate on Instagram. Instagram's collaboration feature allows you to co-create posts or reels with other users, making it easy to share content and engage with a broader audience. Here's how to collaborate effectively. Just follow these few steps. The first step is to start by creating a post or reel as you normally would. And to do that, just go to your Instagram app in your phone and log in using your credentials. After logging in, just enter your the plus button right here and select an image or a post and proceed with clicking on next. Now on the caption here, on the caption screen right here, tag people. To collaborate with them, you can tap and invite collaborators. Tap the photo and then enter the username in the search bar right here. You can use it wherever and invite them. Once they accept your collaboration request, the post will appear on both profiles and share engagement metrics. You can also use collaboration strategically to increase reach and engagement and ensure your collaborators is aligned with your brand or audience. Now, collaborating on Instagram is a great way to connect with other users and expand your reach. By following these steps, you can co-create engaging content easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.